welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to tell you some mistakes and the corrections for the move tool. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so mistake number 1 is not using the right tools. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, I have my cube right over here. And over here, this is the toolbar. And you can see that this is the move tool that we use to move objects, right? So the problem is, when you're using the move tool, make sure you don't mistakenly select the rotate tool or the scale tool. Okay? So make sure you select the right tool. Okay, so mistake number 2 is not creating the right shapes. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, I have my cube right over here. So do you remember in the previous lesson that was about challenges and solutions? I had told you in challenge number 2 to create a sphere, right? And when you're creating a sphere, make sure that you're not mistakenly creating a cube, okay? So make sure you create the right shape. Okay, so mistake number 3 is not putting the right values. Let me show you what I mean. So as you can see, this is our cube right over here. So let's click on it. Do you remember in the previous lesson that was about challenges and solutions? In challenge number 1, I had told you to change the position of the cube to in the x-axis to 5 and in the y-axis to 10 and in the z-axis to 8, right? So you can see that this is the properties panel and we would change the locations in the location settings, right? When you're putting find x-axis, make sure you don't mistakenly put 6 or 4, okay? And when you're putting 10 in the y-axis, make sure you don't mistakenly put 20 or 30, okay? So make sure you put the right value. Okay, so that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.